Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 versus Corvette ZR1. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these incredible machines unique, exploring their distinct approaches to high-performance driving. From their powerful engines to their handling dynamics and overall design, we'll uncover the key differences. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which supercar aligns better with your preferences and driving aspirations. When it comes to raw power, both cars are truly exceptional. The Audi R8 typically comes with a magnificent, naturally aspirated V10 engine, often producing around 610 horsepower, delivering a linear power band. In contrast, the Corvette ZR1 unleashes a supercharged V8, pushing out an astounding 755 horsepower, providing an immediate, brutal surge of acceleration. Both can hit 60 miles per hour from a standstill in roughly 3 seconds. Moving to how they drive, the Audi R8 with its Quattro all-wheel drive system offers incredible stability and grip, making it feel planted and confidence-inspiring in various conditions. It's a refined experience, precise and predictable. The Corvette ZR1, however, is a pure rear-wheel drive machine, delivering a more visceral and engaging experience. It demands more from the driver, especially on the track, rewarding skill with exhilarating, raw performance. Visually, the R8 embodies sleek, sophisticated European supercar design, with a luxurious, driver-focused interior. It feels premium and exclusive. The ZR1, on the other hand, boasts an aggressive, purposeful American aesthetic, often featuring prominent aerodynamic elements for track performance. While the R8 generally sits at a higher price point, the ZR1 often delivers incredible performance per dollar, making it a compelling choice for those prioritizing raw speed and track capability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.